Hey everyone, it's Luke with Marine Tech Detailing. Just finishing up the project for the day. Fishing boat for my buddy. Came out real nice, give you a look. Did my usual thorough wash. And then threw a one step on it. This is my go-to right here. Optimum Poly Seal. Got to use the brand new Rupes LH19 first time. It was awesome. I was using the Makita before, and I always like these yellow Rupes pads. Does a good job of taking off the oxidation and then leaving solid polymer sealant for protection. Works out really nice. Fishing season's coming. Salmon season starts here in Santa Cruz. Just a couple of weeks. Get your boats ready. You can contact me at www, of course, .marinetechpro.com. I'll get your boat cleaned up, looking right. Get you out on the water. Alright, thanks.